Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. The link will be in the description and in the comment section. I'm back. What's up, everybody? I took a 3-month break from YouTube, but I'm not going to stay away too long. Even though I took a break, I continued to record for future content. As you can see, I have my son working with me, and he's the best business partner I ever had. When he was born, everything changed. All of a sudden, I'm now responsible for another human being. Every decision I made, I had to think how it would affect him. But one thing I never expected is how seeing him happy or putting a smile on his face brings me joy. I can still remember the first time that little face smiled at me. That feeling never gets old. I hear people say pour into others, but I'd rather say pour into my son or pour into my family. Ashton has been putting in work with A&A since he was 9 years old. He's now 19 and is in his second year of college. I'm so proud of him. I got his back, and I know he has mine. So before you pour into others, make sure you pour into your family first. I've learned over the years not to trust anyone who doesn't have a healthy relationship with their immediate family. I want nothing to do with them. My experiences have led me to that decision. If y'all can remember how little he was when we started making YouTube videos, and now he's turned into a great young man. So I'm happy to get him anything he needs. I'm gonna continue to teach him how to be a man and an overall good person. While he's in college, I know he's gonna need a vehicle, so I decided to get him his first vehicle. He's been a great son, and he deserves it.
Video on. Give me a shout. Go ahead, yeah. I can't find it. If I don't know the answer, I'm gonna find the answer. Congratulations.
Thank you. Awesome. Now we can ride.
Every now and then, people are asking, do I still do lawn care? Well, of course I do. My engine blew on my mower, so I made plans to get a new engine, and it was discovered that the frame was cracked. I've had that mower since 2013, so I had to get another one. But you know me, if the frame wasn't cracked, no new mower. But I'm blessed to be able to get a new one, so all is good. So stay tuned. New lawn care videos coming soon. Anyway, so as y'all can see, I got a new lawnmower. I really don't like doing that. And I'm not experienced with this lawnmower. I've driven it, I'm gonna say in my whole lawn care career, I've probably driven one maybe about 3 or 4 times. I'm familiar with it, but I'm not comfortable with it. But y'all saw earlier, my other lawnmower is done. It needed a new engine. And I have no problem replacing the engine. The engine is like $2 grand, you know, with labor and everything. But y'all saw how the frame was cracked. I've been wanting to get this type of mower for a very long time. But if the other one was working, if I was getting by with the other one, I was going to keep doing the same thing. You know, I'm not one of those guys that has to have the up-to-date newest stuff as long as I get the job done. Don't get me wrong, I love all that stuff. But when you got a family to provide for, when you got a child in college, you know, 10 grand, that's a lot of money. But what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to go back to my truck and trailer. So I'm gonna have to just buy another trailer, get some repairs done in my truck, and I'm gonna have to go back to the truck and everything. But to finish off the season, we're in October, so we only got maybe 4 weeks, maybe a little more than that of lawn season, and I'll start doing that. But for right now, I'm gonna have to get by with doing this. I just got it today. Y'all saw it just got dropped off. I met them up at the dealer, and he was able to put it in the van. I watched him put it in the van first, but they was like, you know what, let's deliver it to you, and then we'll allow you to play around with it when you get home and move it in and out the van and see how everything works. That was my second attempt, which y'all saw. I've actually put it in and backed it out. Put it in and then I got to try to back it out again. Backing it out is even more scarier to me than even going in. My thing is not falling off the sides. If they had a wider ramp, I'd definitely go get one just to feel more secure and feel more safe. I got a yard that I'm gonna cut Thursday with it. I may cut a few yards with it today just to get the feel of it. Cause it's, you know, moving it around and mowing, 2 different things. So I'll be making videos so y'all can see my progress and see how I'm doing with this mower. But man, this is a pretty big van. I still got all my detail equipment in it and it still fits. So wow, see y'all later.